I officially have my Tangem ring that I ordered in-house. A lot of you guys know I primarily used Ledger, but with all the drama they've been having over the last 2 years, I'm kind of over it, and I'm starting to expand my horizon when it comes to my personal use of wallets. So I figured we would do a quick unboxing, and then I figured we can actually see how easy it is to set up, since they do advertise how simple it is to set up within I think it's within 3 to 5 minutes they advertise. But there's the actual ring, guys. Let me know how it looks. I'm like Pokimane, and I wanted to buy myself a really nice ring because I deserve it, guys. Don't you agree? Right. All right, enough of that. Let's see what else comes in the box real quick. So we have the ring right there. We have 2 additional cards. And do we get stickers or something? Nope, just a quick get starting card, which explains exactly what this is. Tangem is the next generation hardware wallet that makes buying and selling, swapping and staking and storing crypto easy and secure. Thank you, Tangem. We appreciate you. All right, well, that was a very simple unboxing. Let's get to see how easy this thing is to set up. All right, we officially have the app installed on my iPhone, and we are going to go through the setup process. We're going to hit Scan Tangem. We are going to take our ring, because this is the guy we want to set up, and it's telling us to place it near the top part of the iPhone. We did that. We got the blue check. Next, it's giving us 2 options. We can create a wallet, which generates keys privately. Your keys will be secure, generated inside the chip. There's no seed phrase, which means nobody can export or steal it. The other option is coming right down here below, where we can generate a seed phrase, write down that seed phrase, so God forbid we ever lose the ring or the cards, we would be able to come back and recover it that way. But in this situation, we are going to go to Create Wallet, because I believe that is what Tangem prefers us to do. And let's scan the top up here again. There we go. We got the blue check mark again. It said add ring or card. That's what we're going to do. We are going to hit a ring, place this over here. Oh, it says that ring was already added to the list, so I guess it took the original 1, 2. So we're going to hit add ring or card. We are going to take one of our existing cards and place it at the top. Put it right over here. Hit add card or add a card or ring. We are going to add our 3rd card to the batch. So now what we're going to do is hit finalize backup. And now it's going to have us create a access code. So I'm going to hit create. It's going to have me generate a word, phrase, or numbers that I want to use. While I do that, I'm going to pause the video and I will be right back. Okay, I officially have my code typed in, so we're going to hit continue, and then it's going to have me enter it a second time. I'm going to do that right now. And we are going to hit submit. So it says scan the primary ring. That's what I'm going to do. And we will wait for this countdown. All right, we got the blue check mark showing that was correct. Then it's going to have us scan the card ending in 4891. So verify that on the cards, which is going to be this one right over here. So scan the card. We got the blue check mark for that one. Then the final card ending in 4883, 4883. So that matches. Let's see if we can get it to show. And we'll put that one now. Oop, hit scan card and tap. Okay, awesome. And we got the blue check mark. Now we officially have add tokens. So we are going to hit Bitcoin. We are going to hit Cardano, Solana, and my XRP. We're going to hit continue. To Tap the card or ring as shown above. Let's do that right now. And your wallet is configured and ready for use. All right, so there you have it, guys. Pretty easy setup process. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play around with the Tangem wallet, see how easy it is for me to use. As you guys know, I normally like a pretty big display with my wallets. It just makes things a little bit easier for me. So this will be a little change of pace, and I'm excited to kind of fiddle around with it and see how the staking and everything works on Tangem. I'm going to be honest though, probably after a little trial and error, I'm probably going to factory reset these guys and then use my seed phrase from my other wallet if I like everything. So this way I don't need to take a whole bunch of time of transferring all my crypto from one wallet to another. Everything will just come over. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.